Hello, and welcome to LA Sanitation and Environment series on home composting. My name is James Malden, and I work in the citywide recycling division of LA Sanitation and Environment. In this series, we will be discussing benefits and history of home composting, methods of home composting, what to compost, how to compost, frequently asked questions about composting, compost uses, and we will also be discussing food waste in the United States. This segment of the series will explain why composting is promoted by the City of Los Angeles, how and why LA Sanitation and Environment collects yard waste from residential customers through our green bin program, and the environmental benefits of composting. Why does the City of Los Angeles promote composting? There are two reasons why. The first being, under California state law, cities in the state were required to reduce their waste by 50% by the year 2000. I am happy to report that the City of Los Angeles achieved a 76% diversion rate in the year 2011. 202 tons of material was diverted from the landfill through the city's Blue Bin curbside recycling program. But more than double that, 493,000 tons of material was diverted from the landfill through the city's mulching and composting programs. LA Sanitation and Environment operates the city's green bin or yard waste collection program. Through this program, residential customers who already receive their trash and or recycling service through LA Sanitation and Environment may place yard trimmings such as grass clippings, leaves, tree trimmings, and weeds into their green waste collection bin, also known as a green bin. This material is then collected by sanitation trucks and taken to one of the many mulching and composting facilities around the city. One such facility being located at the now closed Lopez Canyon landfill in Silmar. At these mulching and composting facilities, yard waste is then processed via mulching and or composting into finished mulch and soil amendment. Residents of the City of Los Angeles can then pick up this finished mulch or soil amendment from one of the many pickup locations located around the city. Residents may take as much mulch or soil amendment as they need for their residential gardening applications, such as starting a garden or providing a mulch cover over your garden to reduce weed growth. More information about this program, as well as pickup locations, can be found on the sanitation website at lacitysan.org. The second reason why the city promotes composting is because of the environmental benefits of composting. By composting material, whether it be done at home or on a large scale, we are reducing the amount of organic material that goes into landfills. By reducing the amount of landfill use by organic material, we are helping to reduce the amount of landfill space being taken up by organic material, which helps conserve landfill space and also reduces our need to construct new landfills. Reducing the amount of organic material going into landfill also helps combat climate change, because when organic material, such as yard trimmings, are placed into a landfill, it generates greenhouse gases, which are a driving factor and force in climate change. So by reducing the amount of organic material going into a landfill, we are reducing the amount of greenhouse gas being generated and helping combat climate change and its disastrous effects. And the next segment of the series, we will be going over the history of composting and common composting methods and what to compost.